Hello my darlings, I hope everyone is doing well. Another amazing challenge, the Quick Change Challenge, hosted by Teresa B. DIY. If you haven't visited her channel, please do so. And we got two co-hosts, Dave's Wreath and Things, and What's Jamie Making. You should check them out if you haven't do so by now. So let's just jump in. DIY number 1. I have this, I don't know if it's a stand or something was holding before from Thrift store. So I'm just trying to get rid of those extra pieces that they were holding some things. So I'm just getting rid of the screws, just like so. It gave me a lot of work, but I finally took them all out. To cover the holes, I'm adding spackling on all of them. After it's all dry and sanded out, I'm gonna add some letters. I tried welcome, but it was too long of a word, so I'm just gonna use word hello. So I'm just adding those letters. I got them long time ago from Walmart, and I'm only adding HELL. For O, I'm gonna use another thing. And I painted out with Cashio's Waverly chalk paint. And now, since I use those stickers as stencils, I'm just removing them so we can have the wooden background on the letters. So I'm just trying to clean it up a little bit. And now I'm gonna use that wooden round plaque that I got from Dollar Tree. First, I stain it with wood wax, and now I'm just trying to see which is gonna work the best. Since this is a changeable challenge, we're gonna make a changeable sign. So after that, I'm just distressing it and I'm sanding it around so we can see the wooden color around the sign, and it can look like a rustic vintagey. And I'm just going all over it, as you can see. And then after that, I put some wax around, and that's it. Now for the O, we're gonna use couple of options. I got those wooden plaques from Dollar Tree, and I'm using those transfer on stickers. Since I had them at home, I'm like, I should use this. So for one, I use Hello Autumn. For the second leaf plaque, I'm gonna use Thankful Blessed. As you can see, I'm just going all over. And for the snowflake, I'm just gonna paint the snowflake with a Waverly cream chalk paint and leave it like that. So as you can see, I'm just putting those stickers on maple leaf flag. Next, I'm gonna glue some magnets on the back of my plaques so we can add them to the sign and change them anytime we like, with any season we like. Just like that. I just cut off a little pieces for those 3, and that's it. And here is a Hello Autumn option. I added some greeneries, and look how cute it looks for this fall. I really like it. What do you think? I also put some Mod Podge on those signs on top, and that's it. We have our first project done, and it's changeable. You're gonna see the other options. I also put it in, and I think it really look nice. What do you think? Let me know. I added some pumpkins just to decor. You can put it on top of your fireplace. And here is the Christmas option. I added Christmas ornament that I purchased from Hobby Lobby for a few cents last year on sale. So this is our Christmas hello sign, and I really like it. What do you think? And the third option is a farm fresh, and I really like this one as well. I added just a little magnet at the end of this farm fresh, so I can replace it anytime I like. And let me know which of those 3 options you like the best. Let's jump into DIY number 2. I got this wooden tray from Thrift store. I like it because it had unusual dimension, as you can see, and I think it had a cover on top, and I'm trying to see what I'm gonna do with it. I'm gonna use those half bits from Beebeecraft, since I'm a Beebeecraft affiliate, and I'm gonna cover those two little open holes with the wooden plaques, and after I glue them, I'm gluing the wooden beads around those corners, just like so. And now, when all the beads are glued, now I'm using a Moss Waverly chalk paint. Since I'm a Plate ambassador, I'm enjoying their colors, and I'm going all over the box, just like so. I really like this color. What do you think? When it's all dry, I'm using a white wax with a baby wipe all over it. And that's it. Simple, easy, and fast. You can use this box for everything. You can use it as a decoration for fall. I added some pumpkins, some leaves. It looks perfect. You can use it as a centerpiece. You can also put the remote controls from your TV in there. And you can use some books, some greeneries, the second option. Let me know what you think. I really like it, and it's a multi-purpose changeable box that you can use it for everything. I hope you like it. DIY number 3. I'm using this 12 by 24 canvas that I got from Hobby Lobby long time ago, and the material, it's damaged, so I'm just gonna try to remove that part, just like that. So I'm just gonna use the wooden frame. I wanted to build a frame, but since I had this one, it was easier for me. I got those round dowels, and I'm gonna glue them and put them inside of the frame. So I'm adding a little bit of wood glue and a crazy hot glue, and connecting them as a letter X in the middle of this frame, just like that. That's it. I'm gonna add some magnet on the middle so we can add more signs, and I'm painting it with cream Waverly color, and that's it for the frame. Now we're gonna try to add some decoration. I got this little mini wreath, added some greeneries, and I'm adding one of those leaves that I made earlier. I added some ribbon, put it together, tie it, make a bow, and that's gonna be my first option for my frame. The second option is gonna be one of those wooden signs, gathered together. So I'm just seeing how it's gonna look better with the greeneries or some other greeneries. After all that is done, I'm adding a wax around the frame with a baby wipe. I'm gluing the magnet in the middle just to see how it's gonna look. And I'm seeing how the gather sign is gonna look. I'm gluing some magnet on that one as well, just like that, so we can change it. I think it's gonna look better with those greeneries and this sign. What do you think? I'm waxing the sign with a wood wax, and that's it. And here are some options. Thankful and blessed. You can use it for Thanksgiving. You can use it for fall. Put it on your door, put it on your wall, whatever you like. I really like it. Very simple and very cute. And it's a changeable. Teresa, I think I did a good job. What do you think? So this is the first option. The second option is for Christmas. I put my snowflake in the middle, and I have this wreath for over 20 years. I put that one around. I tied with those mesh ribbons on top, and I added it on this frame. And I think it looks very cute for Christmas. Farmhouse, high-end. Really like it. What do you think? And here is the third option. Gather together with the greeneries around. Use it together for Thanksgiving decor, for fall decor. I really like it. Which of those three options you like the best? You gotta tell me on the comments. Let me know. And please, when you're done watching my video, visit our co-hosts, and the playlists, because there's so many talented creators in this playlist. You're gonna be amazed by all of them, and I love all of them. Thank you, Teresa, Dave, and What's Jamie Making for giving me the opportunity to be part of this amazing challenge. I had so much fun making all those creations. And until next time, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. Until our next adventure. Bye-bye.